Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some yummy roasted white chocolate blondies. Now there are a few things that one can do to just amp up the flavor in our blondie recipe. And what we're going to do is roast our white chocolate first. So this is a very simple step that one can do to bring out the nutty flavors in the chocolate, the caramel flavors. That's just going to take our blondie texture and recipe flavors to the next level. So now this baby goes into the oven. So I'm going to take my chocolate out to check where it's been. As you can see, it kind of looks like nothing has happened, but then you can see how melted it is. So what I want to do is just spread it out evenly so that we have a bigger surface area for the chocolate to start caramelizing. And then this baby goes right back into the oven, and then I'm going to take it out every 5 minutes to stir it in between. And while that is happening, what I'm going to do is the same thing that I'm doing with the chocolate, I'm going to do with the butter. So I'm going to caramelize it just to bring out that nuttiness again. I'm just going to put the butter into the pan and let that melt while I'm just continuously stirring it. Okay, our brown butter is ready. As you can see, it's got a beautiful golden brown color. Almost smells like caramel. So what you want to do is as soon as it's turned that brown color, you want to decant it so that it doesn't go too dark. And then you allow it to cool down. I'm just taking out my white chocolate just to check how it's doing. Just remember to keep stirring it, especially now when it goes a bit chalky and it starts looking a bit dry. Don't worry too much. You just need to keep working it and mixing it. And put it back into the oven. Check it again after 5 minutes. And then once it's ready and golden brown, then we're gonna cool it down, put it in the fridge until we're ready to mix it into our blondie mix. So I've got my chilled butter and chocolate. So now let's start making our batter. Got my brown sugar going into the bowl with the caramelized brown butter. 2 eggs, of course, free range. Pack them directly into there. And then some vanilla. Say about a teaspoon. Look like about a teaspoon. And then I'm just going to mix this all together. And then in here, I'm going to add my flour and the raising agents, that's the bicarb and baking powder, into the bowl. Just want to gently fold that in. So if you were going to be making brownies, this is where you would have added the cocoa powder with the flour. To this, I'm going to add my roasted white chocolate. I'm just going to use my hands to break it up into small pieces, just so that it's evenly dispersed through the batter. And then my pecan nuts. Then you just fold everything gently together. And then all of this goes into a baking tray that I have greased. And you just press it down using your spoon to even it all out. Now this baby goes back into the oven. Take it out. Look at this beautiful gloriousness. Now, quick trick to take it out. Lay my chopping board on top. Use my cloth and do a flip. And lift off. Let's cut out some yummy looking cubes out of this. Oh my goodness. And if this is not yummy enough, I'm gonna drizzle some extra white chocolate onto this baby. Yummy, crunchy, gooey, fudgy, delicious blondies. You guys really have to try this out.